Configure departments for structured production tracking. Department management begins in the master module to establish organizational structures for production tracking. The department master listing displays existing active departments and their unique system identification codes. With adding a new record, department name defines the specific functional area within the facility for accurate resource allocation. Department code serves as a unique alphanumeric identifier used for filtering and cross-module reporting. Slug automatically generates a URL-friendly version of the name to maintain consistent system navigation. Status determines whether the department is currently available for selection in active production workflows. Saving the record updates the organizational hierarchy and enables precise departmental cost and labor tracking. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.